What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Bailey Kramer, and in this video, I'm going to tell you an extremely creative strategy I took to qualify for a loan at a credit union. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. All right, so I want to take you back to April of 2023. I borrowed $100,000 from a private money lender to buy a property and fix up, and then my plan was to refinance the property and pull all my money back and pay the investor back. So while I was doing the rehab, I was talking to different banks and credit unions about different loan products and how I can ultimately refinance this property. So I talked to one specific bank, and it was the U Credit Union, and they had a great loan product that worked perfectly for my property, and I was so excited to move forward with them. But then they said, wait, you're not local and you don't live in Indiana? And I said, no, like this is an investment property. I live in North Carolina. And they said, okay, it's fine that it's an investment property, but you have to be a member of the credit union to get the loan. And in order to be a member of the credit union, you have to be a resident of Indiana. And I said, I'm just going to be honest with you. I'm not a resident. It's not where I live. I wasn't going to lie because that's mortgage fraud. So I told her straight up, listen, I'm not a resident. Is there anything else I can do to get this loan? And here's the exact email that she sent me. So she told me that you will need to join the IU Alumni Association to qualify for membership with our credit union. And I just think it's really funny for a couple reasons. Number one, I'm a college dropout, so I'm technically not an alumni of any college. But number two, I didn't even go to college in Indiana, so I'm joining this alumni association of a college I didn't even go to, and I didn't even finish college myself, which makes it all even funnier. So long story short, I joined the IU Alumni Association, and it cost me $0. I am now a proud alumni of Indiana University, although I have made zero financial contributions. So I'm completely using this to qualify for the credit union and then get the loan from them, which I've done successfully now. So the biggest lesson that I learned from this process is that there's usually a way to get it done. Especially with credit unions, they're usually not the most strict with their rules. So for example, they required 3 years of tax returns. I only had 2. They were totally fine with that. If you're struggling to get financing for a property, I recommend checking out a credit union, asking what their qualifications are. And if there's something you don't meet within those qualifications, just ask them if they can bend the rules for you. It's not like they're going to do it every single time, but if it's something within reason, they will. Or they'll give you a creative solution, like becoming an alumni of a college that you never went to in order to qualify. So that's my funny story. I hope you guys got some value out of this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.